Hey friends, yesterday we talked a little bit about letters of the alphabet, so I wanted to introduce you to the alphabet chart that I like to use in class every day. Letters make sounds, and those sounds help form the words that we use. So I like to use gestures whenever I'm talking about letters and the sounds that they make. I'm going to go through each one, and then we're going to go back and review the first three together like we did with our phonics cards. So just watch along. A, apple. B, ball. C, cut. D, drum. E, elbow. F, fan. G, guitar. H, hi. I, itch. J, jump. K, kick. L, love. M, meatball. N, nap. Oh, did I fall asleep? I'm so sorry. I do that sometimes. O, opera. P, push. Q, quiet. R, run. S, so. T, talk. U, up. V, violin. W, wiggle. X, x-ray. Y, yay. And Z, zigzag. Feel free to watch this over and practice on your own.